Okay, so what do we have today? So this is the My Arcade Pacman. Now I picked this up a few months ago and looks in really good condition. There's a bit of scratching on the screen and that where it's been used. So let's just get a battery and a cable. Power. And getting a noise there. So it is crediting. Okay. Right. I'm no good at Pac-Man, but that's a good sign because I believe that these have blob chips in them, which are my personal hate. So there seems to be 4 screws here, so let's take them out. I'm hoping there's not any screws under the stickers because I don't want to have to take them off. So what's that done, taking those screws out? Nothing. It's going to be under here, isn't it? So I'm going to use this, but it's actually quite blunt. Now, obviously, I have to be very careful with this, and I like to keep this around because if I'm taking stickers off, if you use a brand new one and you slip, you're going to tear it or it's going to destroy the label. The thing about it being blunt, you can do this kind of thing without causing too much damage. And if you just take your time, now I've got a little bit of it. There it goes. It's actually quite a thick sticker, which is very welcome. If this had been much thinner, yeah, there we go. I can see the first one. Whoa, right. So what I want to do is lift it up without bending it too much and creating a kind of, what do you call it, like a ridge or a fold in the actual sticker. I should probably be wearing gloves as well because that helps not get the oils from my fingers onto it. And I've got that, I don't know if you can see, but I've got that just tacked on there like that. So I'm not actually touching the sticky part of the label. Now I'm angling it so that I take this bit off first. If I try and go that way, I think that might get damaged. Whoa! Right, got a bit of a shock there. I didn't expect it to just come off like that quickly, but yeah. When I sat down to do this repair, I didn't think I'd be removing labels, but here we are. That actually went a lot better than I thought it would. The stickers are actually very, very good quality. So I'm really pleased about that because some of these other type of games that I've repaired in the past, the stickers have been very, very thin. So let's take this out. Okay, we have liftoff. This looks like the USB-C and headphone board. And there's a button there for a light. Don't quite know where that goes. Batteries, power switch. Is that the volume control? Plus and minus there, I think. Power switch there. I think what we'll do is take this board off. It all looks like it's glued in, which is annoying. We have a screen. We've got a blob chip. One big IC here. I think that's memory actually. Let's get the screen out. That's one of these lift up ones. You really shouldn't use this, but take that out. So it looks like a 280, so HG001-A3. Have a look up and see what that is. Let's look at the pins. So those pins look absolutely fine. So we'll have a look and see if we can find another display. Let's get the scope hooked up. We'll see if we're getting any data there. If we are, then we can pretty much rule it out as the screen. Another screen casualty. Let's get that sorted out. I think that's a pretty good indicator that this is dead. I don't really understand why these go bad so often. Maybe the unit's been dropped or something and then something's broken internally, but I can't see any damage to the ribbon cable or the entry points there. All looks good. If you watched any of my Christmas videos, you will see that a couple of the ones that I repaired had display issues. And it was actually quite tricky getting some of those displays. Hopefully I can pick one of these up for a reasonable cost and we'll get it fitted, and then hopefully that game will be able to be brought back to life. Now, one thing I don't know if you can see, obviously getting the reflection of the light, but the screen is quite badly scratched. So I'm going to get some adhesive, not adhesive, what am I talking about? I'm going to get some plastic cleaner and see if we can get those marks off. Right, so we're back and we have the new screen, and the observant among you will notice that it's not quite the same. So I did order a 3-inch screen, but that is not a 3-inch screen. This is more like a 3 3/4. It's almost 4 inches. So either I've ordered the wrong thing or they've sent the wrong thing, one of the two. I suspect I know which one it is. But what I thought we'd do, since it's the same number of pins, let's just connect it and see what happens. I mean, it may blow up the screen, but, well, I bought 2 of these just in case. Right, put that there. Let's plug it in. Ah. It does actually work. Let me turn this round so you can get a better view. Let's zoom down a bit. Well, there we are. So, interestingly enough, it does actually work. What I need to do is get another screen which is the right size. I just placed an order with AliExpress anyway, so I'm going to have to do another one. Great. Right, we are back, and second time lucky, we've managed to get a screen that I'm pretty sure is the right one. So we're going to fit this one today, and hopefully that's going to be the repair of this. I managed to get a few of these because I might have another one of these that needs another screen. Perfect fit. It's actually really awkward to do, as you can imagine. Screen goes down like so. It's in there. So just put this on. So let's put these 4 in. Okay, we'll put this side in as well. I might try and get one of these 3D printed. I don't have access to a 3D printer, but maybe in the future I will. This is not going anywhere. I'm going to keep this for myself. But the last thing we've got to do is put the stickers on. Should be relatively straightforward to put these back on. Now this one, pretty good. Right, okay, there it goes. Plug it in and let's hope it works after all this. Yes, there we go. Now I'm going to wait for it to initialize. I'm just watching this on the screen, not this screen, the TV screen. Okay, so there we go, another successful fix. Not a difficult fix by any means, but yeah, a fix nonetheless. So we shall leave it there for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.